no, wait, I was gonna tell you you need to grab the paper towels.
No, we're not using paper towels anymore. Look what I got. This thing is just gonna pull that stain right out, watch.
Okay, but what about the rest of it? You can still see it a little bit.
Yeah, that's what this is for. It's the Oxy Stain Remover. Just spray it down, scrub it in, and then it's just gonna pull the rest of that stain right out.
Wow, that did work a lot better than paper towels, but how are you gonna clean it?
Oh, come look. This thing actually runs a self-cleaning cycle. You just take out the cup, fill it with a little bit of water, pop it back in, and then this thing is gonna flush out the entire system. When it's done, all you have to do is pop it open and dump out the dirty water. And look, since there's no cords or anything and it has a little caddy, you can take it anywhere like the couch, carpeting, clean a stain in the car, anywhere.
Wow, that is convenient. But it's Shark, isn't that super expensive?
No, Shark is normally expensive, but this is brand new and they have a huge coupon with that link down there. So if anybody wants one, I would not wait.